In this video, let's talk about how to fix Google two-step verification loss. So if you have lost the two-step verification and cannot log into your Google account, there are a couple of ways on how you can gain access of your account. The first way is going to be to simply click on the try another way options, which will then prompt you to the verification screen where you may be able to receive the SMS on the email or the SMS on the secondary account that you may have added in. Now, if this is not the case with you or the option with you, you can also add in the backup code that you may have generated while turning on the two-step verification. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you and you cannot recover your account, the last way is going to be to heading over to the Google account recovery page. This is a process that follows and finds your accounts and helps to recover your account as well. So simply search for Google account recovery, head over to the first link, enter in your email address or your phone number linked with your account, and just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll need to answer some identity prompts and Google will review your account and get back to you within 3 to 5 business days. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.